So it is the first finally fully sunny day on the island after about a week of just rain and clouds, and I kind of just wanted to do a quick day in the life and show you what I've been up to on the island. So I always like to start the day off productively, trying to get some work done. I have a bunch of work and prep to do for the trip I'm going on, so I try to start it in a productive way and get some of that done. I also kind of wanted to give you a little house tour. I'm at an Airbnb. This is the living room. I live right across from a bakery, which is so dangerous. Right now it's closed, so you can't see it, but they have some great stuff. You know, there's a little kitchen and a place to do laundry. And it's a 3-bedroom house, so there's 3 different bedrooms. Sorry for the mess. Everything's a bit disorganized right now. And a nice little bathroom, and there's a little office space as well, which has a really nice view also of the bakery. I don't usually use the office space. I usually work in the living room or in the outdoor patio. Today I decided to go on a little bit of a longer hike than I usually go on. Usually I try to at least get some walking in around the town or around the hills, but this is actually a really cool hike I found. It starts along the road and goes through some of the housing area, and then you kind of go all the way down until you reach the base, and then you slowly start climbing back up, so it's a really nice leg workout. It climbs for quite a bit, and you go through another little town up on the hillside, and then it starts just being straight uphill. But eventually you reach this fork in the road, and there's this really cool trail I found. Kind of randomly, I just saw that there was a trail that connected to make a loop around back to the town, and so I headed down it, and it is just absolutely beautiful. Kind of follows the crest of the mountain, so you can see San Mateo the whole time you're walking. And when you also look down, you can see the road you came up, so you kind of feel very accomplished how much you climbed. And then eventually you kind of start going back down to the town, and you get back to the road into some houses, and you follow that for a bit, and it's a full loop, about 3 miles, maybe a bit more, and you get at least 500 feet of elevation gain and loss, which is awesome. And honestly, after any hike, you gotta get pastries, or just in Spain, the pastries are amazing. They're super cheap. It's awesome. After I grabbed some pastries, I went to go get some food at the grocery store. I live about a minute from it, so I don't buy too much. I kind of just buy what I need, usually a couple items a day. And then I went back home, made dinner, and did some more work. My days are pretty chill. I haven't been touring the island too much because I don't have a car right now, but I've been getting a lot of work done and going on some great hikes. And that is a day in the life of my time in San Mateo on Grand Canaria Island. Thanks for watching.